Hello everyone, my name is Camille, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today's video, what we're going to be doing is reviewing the Fovitec Studio LED panel light. So I always have one set up at the background of my videos, and it's just there as a decorational piece. But I also have another one because they come in a pack of two. So before we get into this video, I want to say that I personally purchased these lights. They haven't been sent out to me by Fovitec or nothing. I've been using them for over 2 or 3 years on various shoots across the UK, across Europe and whatnot. I've been traveling with them, they've been bashed around and been thrown around, and they have withstanded some very harsh conditions. I've even used them in the rain, even though you're not supposed to use them in the rain, and I do not suggest you using them in the rain, but they have survived, which is actually really good, especially for the price point that you're paying for them. When I was buying them, I bought them for about $400 on Amazon, but I think they've dropped down in price a little bit, so it's a very good timing now for you guys to actually purchase yourself a kit. There are two types of kits. Kit number one, which is just a regular 5600 Kelvin balanced LED panels kit, and the other one, which is a 5600 balance and also 3200, which allows you to adjust the color temperature of the light. So I've got one set up at the back, and I also have one over here. So this is how the light looks like. This is how it comes out of the bag. You do have some trapdoors with it. Obviously you can purchase them separately, but why would you purchase something separately when it costs so much cheaper when you buy it in the kit? So like so, you open up the barn doors and you got yourself the main LED panel front. On the main LED panel front, there is a slot for a diffusion. It comes with two types of diffusion. I've got one of the diffusion actually inserted right here. As you can see, you can slide it out and slide it back in like so. I just keep the strongest one, mainly because with LED lights, no matter how expensive they are, as long as the subject gets too close to them, you will see the LED strip. So it's better, and it's common sense to use a big diffusion panel if those LED panels have one, and these ones do, which is absolutely amazing. Also, what I love about these is that number one, they are powered by just your regular in-house sockets, and they don't take a lot of power. They're not like the old halogen lights that get hot and they blow breakers or blow up your sockets, or if wherever you go on the shoot, let's say your location doesn't have a reliable power source, it won't set on fire. Okay, I had situations where lights literally blew up the whole electrical circuit in a specific location, and that's not very fun because the insurance doesn't like to pay out on that, even though that's what they're supposed to be there for. It's a hustle. So invest in some LED lights. You can use this for professional shoots and also for shoots like this, like a YouTube video like I am using right now. What I love about these is also that they do have a V-Log battery mount. I have one, a V-Log battery mount or V-Log battery attached to this one, so I can just flip a switch like so, and the light is on, and I can place it anywhere. So let's say you don't have any sockets anywhere in your location, you can actually just pin a V-Log battery, set this, forget it, and just shoot your music video, your film, or your YouTube video at the same time. And I am lighting myself up a little bit like an amateur right now. So talking about the physical pros and cons of this light, let's talk about some of the specs of these lights. So these lights come with a 600 LED bulbs, which is just great because the output of power that you get for the price point that you pay, it's pretty damn good. Also, if you get, let's say, the daylight balance, the 5600 Kelvin version of the lights, then all the 600 bulbs will shine much brighter than, for example, the bicolor ones. But there is a trick. If you turn on both the 3200 Kelvin and the 5600 Kelvin lights on at full blast, then you get the full power output. Also, another use for these lights, because they are bicolor, especially when you get the bicolor kit, the one that I have and the one that I have most experience with, you can actually get some amazing looks. You can expose for skin tone. So let's say you can light your scene with 5600 Kelvin versions of the light, and then use one of the LED panels, set it to 3200 Kelvin, which is more like an orangey tone, and you can get some really nice colors, skin tones. You can focus on skin tones, and you can get some beautiful lighting and create depth within your image. And the last and final thing is the CRI of these lights. The CRI of these lights is rated at 90 or above. It just says 90 plus, which is really great because professional lighting is actually rated at 95 or above or 90 or above. And what CRI basically basically means is the color accuracy of the light. The higher the CRI, the higher the quality of the light that you're getting from your actual light source. But unfortunately, this does bring us to the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like. If you really loved them, make sure to subscribe. If you guys want to pick yourself up one of those LED panels, other than the actual diffusion panel went flying out. That's not good. I'm not sure you guys saw that on camera, but if you guys want to pick yourself one of these, or it's one of these, actually they're both in one kit, then I'm gonna leave some links in the description below. But instead of I'm gonna end this video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody, and bye bye.
I just wanna live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't mobsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them comments. If you wanna talk, let's talk, but around here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant.